Number 1. 1972 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $9,000, Las Vegas, Nevada. The 1972 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead is one of the most recognizable American V-twin motorcycles of the early 1970s. Powered by the legendary 74 cubic inch, 1,208 cubic centimeters, Shovelhead engine, this model is admired for its unmistakable exhaust note, timeless styling, and strong presence on the road. Custom-built Shovelheads remain highly desirable among Harley-Davidson enthusiasts, especially those featuring classic rigid frame conversions and vintage-inspired craftsmanship. This example is located in Las Vegas, Nevada, and is listed for $9,000. The odometer shows 9,999 miles, and the motorcycle has reportedly had only 2 owners. Finished in a striking red exterior, this custom Shovelhead features a rigid frame, a brand new Springer front end, and a premium Baker manual transmission. It is also equipped with a traditional hand and foot clutch setup, delivering an authentic old-school riding experience that appeals to vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. According to the seller, the motorcycle is being offered with no trades, and the asking price is $9,000 or best offer, OBO. For buyers searching for a classic custom Harley-Davidson with iconic styling, proven Shovelhead power, and quality aftermarket upgrades, this 1972 Shovelhead represents an excellent opportunity. Number 2. 1975 Honda CB554, $5,000, Killington, Vermont. The 1975 Honda CB554 became one of Honda's most respected middleweight motorcycles thanks to its smooth inline-4 engine and everyday reliability. Often considered a smaller sibling to the CB750, the CB550 earned a reputation for balanced performance and comfortable riding manners. Today, these motorcycles remain popular among vintage Japanese bike enthusiasts. This example shows just over 11,000 miles and is described as running and riding great. The seller notes that the motorcycle remains almost entirely original, aside from tires and brakes. For riders looking for a clean and largely original Honda classic, this CB554 offers strong vintage appeal. Number 3. 1969 Triumph Bonneville T120R for $1,500, Vollant, Connecticut. The 1969 Triumph Bonneville T120R remains one of the most iconic British motorcycles ever produced. Admired for its classic styling and lively twin-cylinder performance, the Bonneville became a symbol of British motorcycling during the late 1960s and continues to attract collectors today. Matching numbers examples are especially desirable among enthusiasts. According to the seller, this motorcycle runs great and benefits from fresh paint, new tires, rebuilt carburetors, and a Boyer electronic ignition system. All fluids have also been changed, helping make the bike ready for regular use. For collectors seeking an affordable Bonneville, this T120R presents an attractive opportunity. Number 4. 1982 Kawasaki KZ1100A, $3,200, Salem, Ohio. The 1982 Kawasaki KZ1100A was one of Kawasaki's flagship performance motorcycles, combining strong inline-4 power with excellent highway comfort. Known for reliability and long-distance capability, the KZ1100 became a favorite among riders who wanted both performance and practicality. These large displacement classics continue to hold strong appeal today. This example shows under 15,000 miles and is described as garage-kept, mostly stock, and ready to ride. The seller notes that it starts easily, runs strong, and everything works as it should. For buyers seeking a well-kept vintage Kawasaki with shaft drive reliability, this KZ1100A looks like a very solid value. Number 5. 1989 Dnepr MT-1011, $6,500, King George, Virginia. The 1989 Dnepr MT-1011 carries a design heritage that traces back to pre-war BMW military motorcycles, giving it a unique place in motorcycle history. Equipped with a sidecar and reverse gear, these Soviet-era machines remain popular among enthusiasts who appreciate their rugged character and mechanical simplicity. This example is described as an original matching numbers motorcycle with low indicated mileage and a legitimate Virginia title. The seller notes that it starts easily and remains in good condition while retaining its vintage charm. For riders looking for a rare sidecar motorcycle that always attracts attention, this NEPA presents a very unusual opportunity. Number 6. 1973 Yamaha RD 350 Cafe Racer, $3,500, Langhorne, Pennsylvania. The 1973 Yamaha RD 350 is one of the most legendary two-stroke motorcycles ever produced. Known for its lightweight chassis, quick acceleration, and exciting riding character, these bikes helped establish Yamaha's performance reputation during the 1970s and remain highly sought after by vintage motorcycle enthusiasts today. Well-preserved and modified examples continue to attract riders looking for classic two-stroke excitement. This Cafe Racer build features DG pipes, rear set controls, Clubman handlebars, LED lighting, and still retains the factory oil injection system. The seller also includes many original parts for buyers interested in returning the bike closer to stock form. With a clear title and strong vintage appeal, this RD 350 looks ready for its next adventure. Number 7. 1980 Moto Guzzi Monza V50, $2,000, Rhinebeck, New York. The 1980 Moto Guzzi Monza V50 is a lightweight Italian sport motorcycle known for its unique V-twin engine, agile handling, and distinctive European styling. Smaller displacement Moto Guzzis have developed a loyal following thanks to their character and uncommon presence on American roads. Today, clean examples remain attractive to collectors of vintage European motorcycles. This example is fitted with brand new tires and is described as being in good overall condition for its age. The seller notes that the motorcycle has not run in several years, making it a potential project for the next owner. For buyers seeking an affordable vintage Moto Guzzi, this Monza V50 offers plenty of potential. Number 8. 1982 Suzuki GS 750T, $2,000, Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. The 1982 Suzuki GS 750T was part of Suzuki's highly respected GS lineup, a series known for durability, smooth performance, and comfortable road manners. These motorcycles became popular among riders looking for dependable four-cylinder power combined with everyday practicality. Today, GS models continue to be appreciated by vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts. This example shows under 13,000 miles and has reportedly been garage kept throughout its life. The seller states that the motorcycle runs but is no longer being used regularly. For riders looking for an affordable vintage Suzuki with classic styling and proven reliability, this GS 750T presents an attractive value. Number 9. 1984 Harley-Davidson XLX Ironhead Sportster for $1,500, Portland, Connecticut. The 1984 Harley-Davidson XLX Ironhead Sportster marks the final year of the famous Ironhead engine, making it an especially interesting model for Harley enthusiasts. Known for their rugged character and unmistakable V-twin sound, Ironhead Sportsters remain popular among riders who appreciate vintage Harley-Davidson motorcycles. Custom examples continue to have strong appeal within the classic motorcycle community. Nicknamed Pink Pony, this survivor bike features period custom paint, a rebuilt SNS carburetor, progressive shocks, fresh oil lines, and a new battery. The seller reports that it starts, runs, rides, and stops properly. For buyers seeking a unique and affordable Ironhead, this XLX offers plenty of old-school personality. Number 10. 1976 Kawasaki KZ 750 Twin, $2,800, Pembroke, Massachusetts. The 1976 Kawasaki KZ 750 Twin combines strong torque, simple engineering, and comfortable cruising manners into one dependable package. During the 1970s, these motorcycles earned a reputation for being practical, enjoyable riders that could handle both daily use and weekend trips. Today, they remain popular among enthusiasts who appreciate classic Japanese twins. According to the seller, this motorcycle runs and rides great while benefiting from rebuilt carburetors and a new clutch cable. Aside from occasionally squeaky brakes, the bike is described as ready to ride and enjoy. For buyers seeking a classic Kawasaki with vintage charm and everyday usability, this KZ 750 Twin looks like a solid choice. Number 11. 1968 Triumph Bonneville T120, $12,000, Helendale, California. The 1968 Triumph Bonneville T120 is widely regarded as one of the finest British motorcycles ever produced. Powered by a 650 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, the Bonneville earned its legendary reputation through its combination of lively performance, timeless styling, and excellent handling. During the late 1960s, the T120 became an icon of British motorcycling and remains one of the most sought-after classic Triumph models among collectors and vintage motorcycle enthusiasts today. This beautifully restored example is located in Helendale, California, and is offered at an asking price of $12,000. According to the seller, the motorcycle underwent a complete restoration after being licensed and ridden for only its first 2 years. The bike was completely disassembled and rebuilt where necessary, receiving fresh paint, powder-coated components, new wiring, and numerous mechanical refurbishments to return it to outstanding condition. The seller describes the motorcycle as being in use, like new condition. The owner states that the Bonneville is being offered for sale due to health reasons and is willing to consider a trade of equal value for a classic car or hot rod. For collectors seeking a professionally restored California spec Triumph Bonneville with iconic 1960s styling and excellent presentation, this 1968 T120 represents an exceptional opportunity. Number 12. 1976 Yamaha XS650 for $1,800, Brooklyn, New York. The 1976 Yamaha XS650 remains one of the most respected Japanese twins ever built. Admired for its strong torque, reliability, and classic styling, the XS650 was inspired by British motorcycles, but backed by Japanese engineering. The XS650 earned a loyal following that continues today. These motorcycles remain popular among both collectors and custom builders. This example retains its original paint and charging system while benefiting from several recent maintenance updates. The seller reports new tires, cleaned and balanced carburetors, and a rebuilt brake master cylinder. With both electric and kickstart functionality, this XS650 appears ready for regular riding.